We're in West London. Behind me is Drayton Green. Welcome to London's 9th least used station. Originally opened as Drayton Green Halt, Drayton Green is a small station named after the open patch of green land that lies to the east of the station. The platforms are just big enough to accommodate a 2-carriage train, of which just one operates on the whole branch, shuttling back and forth between West Ealing and Greenford. Trains used to go further, all the way into Paddington, but were cut back at the end of 2016 to just West Ealing last year to make way for Crossrail services. There's no ticket office here, or even any form of ticket machine. The London-bound platform does just have a shelter and a bike rack. The branch is only 3 miles long, and a journey from end to end takes just 12 minutes, and it's quite likely that you'll see a freight train passing through, as if it wasn't for freight services, it's a possibility that this branch line might have been closed altogether. Another one of the stations on this branch is in the top 10 of least used stations in London, which we'll get to later, and the other also appears outside of the top 10, but in the top 20. Yes, the whole line really does have a quiet, unused and almost abandoned feel to it. Trains at Drayton Green are half-hourly throughout the day on Mondays to Saturdays with no Sunday service. But if you just miss one heading south, it's quicker instead to walk to West Ealing instead and get a train into central London from there. Or, if a train heading north is coming to Greenford, take that and change into the central line to head into town. And here are the passenger numbers. As provided by the Office of Rail and Road for the 2015 to 2016 period, Drayton Green is the 9th least used station in Greater London with just 153,146 passengers a year, which is just 419 per day. We'll reveal what the other stations are as we count down London's least used stations in this series.